Hey everyone, it's Makeup by Dej. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Happy New Year to everyone. So today I just did this really nice, smoky, dramatic Yana I'm about pink and purple and wings. Like literally, I can't stop doing a look like this. This is Valentine's Day inspired look. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you like it. If you do, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Dej. And let's get onto the tutorial, you guys. Okay, so just gonna get started with the face. So I'm using, this is LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. Now I'm going into Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit. I just like to use this paintbrush looking brush from BH Cosmetics to work with this. And this is something that I just started doing, and this helps with shaping my brows. See, I'm just going right underneath and like sculpting my brow. Like, it just helps when I get to my brow filling area part. It's like a precursor. Trying to find the words to explain, but it's just not really happening. But you know, it just, you see, yeah, you see, it just acts as a guide, you know, so before I actually fill in my brows. So that makes sense. Now I'm just going to set underneath my all that, yeah, with my baby powder, fluffy brush. Like, I just kind of lightly set my whole face with whatever is on the brush. Now, like this. I'm going to go into my fave bronzer, CoverGirl Cream Bronzer in Ebony Bronze. Just going to contour slash bronze. Look how pigment. This just makes me smile. This is just like an angle fluffy blush brusher or something from BH Cosmetics. I like to do like little circles like this, not applying too much pressure on the brush because it is very pigmented, and then you don't want to get like patches. Like, I went hard right here, but I'm light right here, and so it's like dark right here and it's light right here. So you don't want to do that. You want to apply the same pressure throughout. So I'm gonna go do my brows off camera real quick, and I'll be back. Alright, so we back and we got brows now, and I contoured my nose off camera too. I did my brows and contour my nose because that's all like one step to me. Now I'm going to spray my face, which is another one of my favorite parts. It is beauty guru time. This is just gonna make all of this powder and everything, my highlight and contour, melt together and make me look like a face again. I like really go for it and drench myself. It's crazy. You just dab all of that. And your face just looks like flawless after. Everything is just together, you know? See how together it is? Okay, so let's go into these eyes. Going back into the CoverGirl Queen Bronzer in Ebony Bronze. And I'm just going to start blending that into my crease. I really love this brush for this step because, oh my god, look, it just did all the work for me. Like, it's from BH Cosmetics. I think I got it out of one of their Sculpt and Blend sets. They just have good brushes. You see it's at an angle, so I can turn it like this and just look down in my mirror. I have my mirror like this and I'm looking down and just blend. So seamless. So now we're gonna go into this shade from my BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes palette that has been loved so hard by me, and I'm just gonna blend that right over that what we just did. I'm kind of gonna tap it at first and then blend. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna take the same shade, but on a smaller blending brush. So this is a blending brush that I'm taking out. You see the hairs are more densely packed together. I'm going straight into my crease with that. I'm just gonna pack it like that. Just like that. I'm going to blend with the other brush at the edges. And see, looking down in the mirror really helps, as you can see the edges. Literally believe me when I say. Now, we have this. And I'm going to cut my crease now. Just using that same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. And looking down into a mirror when you cut your crease is like the best thing you could ever do. It makes it so easy. Believe me when I say, yeah, girl, as long as you. And make sure when you cut your crease and you spread that concealer over your lid, you blend it out, because it will crease like heck. Don't say I ain't warn you. So don't use that much. Use a little at first, and then just keep going and, you know, adding as you need it. Now, I don't know that I really meant to make this crease this big. I'm just gonna do the other one and see what happens. Now I'm just going to fill in my lid using two pinks from two BH Cosmetics palettes. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Valentine's Day, cause, you know, I'm all types of single and whatnot, but, you know, I'll probably just, you know, do what I usually do. It's probably like on a Thursday or something. I don't know when it is, you know, cause I don't have to pay attention to stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do next is take a really light pink and flip my brush at the other end. This is that brush that comes with all the Naked palettes from Urban Decay. So if you got one of those palettes, you have this brush. And then flip the brush over and just blend in between. Halo effect. I'm just gonna take a really dark purple and place it at the edges. And so I like to do a pretty thick wing, so I have to bring this up pretty far so it doesn't get covered. Keep just taking your time and building it up. No rush, unless there's a rush, and then not my fault. Add some black to deepen it up. So this is what it's looking like. This is pretty cute. So I'm going to finish the other off camera and I'll be back. We're back. I added like some purple, like grape purple shade right here above the smoked out part. And now we're gonna do my signature thick wing. Alrighty, here we are. Wings are on, and let me just tell you, they got out of control. I'm gonna just go ahead and say that they did get out of control, and it's my own fault. Now we're just gonna do the lower lash line, and we're gonna start with that hot pink. Right down here like that, and add a little bit of black eyeshadow mixed with dark purple. I just added like some more of that light pink that I put in the center in this part in the inner eye corners to highlight. I'm gonna put on mascara and lashes off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so we are back. Lashes on. Stuff is blended. Got on mascara. Now we're about to highlight, and I'm just using this highlighter out of this palette. This is what I dream of at night. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to do my lips. And I'm probably just gonna do like a soft pink with like gloss. So I'm first gonna line my lips. Okay, so next I'm going to take R&B by Colourpop around the edges like that. Like really not a lot at all. And then I'm gonna take Trap by Colourpop. Okay, that looks really bright. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some gloss. So I feel like it's really showing really bright. I have to tone it down because I don't want it to look that pink. Yeah, this is way more like it. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you like it. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you'd like to see more. Let me know if you are excited about me being back on YouTube. LOL. Just let me know things. I'll be back again. Hopefully, you know, hopefully I'm not lying. I'll be back soon enough. And yeah, see you guys next time. Mwah.